Okay, let's make banana bread. To make banana bread, you need a few really simple ingredients. Flour, sugar, baking soda and baking powder, cinnamon, vanilla, some unflavored oil, and some icky brown bananas. Really good for banana bread. And for an extra special treat, chocolate chips. So how are we gonna do it? What are we gonna do? 3 steps to make a banana bread. Step number 1, we'll blend. Number 2, we'll fold. And number 3, bake. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready to make some banana breads? Hey, right now, go have your parents preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Do you want to know what that is Celsius?
175.
175. Are these your banana bread pants? Look how big you're getting. Your mom says you need to do a little workout so you earn your banana bread. Tummy time. Oh, there he is. All right. So we'll add the oil, vanilla, the icky brown bananas, 4 bananas, but if you only have 3, add some applesauce. Blend it up. Do a little dance. If you forgot the sugar, no big deal. Add that. Blend it up. Put the dry ingredients into the bowl. Don't add the little bowls. And we'll add liquid ingredients. Fold it in. We'll add the chocolate chips. Mix those together. And then put it in the pan.
Hey, look at this. In 30 to 40 minutes, this is gonna be banana bread. So put it in the oven, have a nap, and then have some banana bread.
It was so much fun making banana bread. Oh, it's done. Hot bread. This banana bread is great as is. And it's also delicious with peanut butter on top. If you liked this video, hit subscribe and click here or here to watch our next adventure. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. 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 Wait, I want to eat it.